May mga credit cards kasi na pre-activated. Kung natanggap mo na yung credit card, sometimes kahit hindi mo siya i-activate, may certain number of days na biglang nag-a-activate na lang yung credit card. Hi everyone, Crisel Morales here. Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Okay, so I just arrived from my walking this morning doon sa Ferdinand Ederlin Marcos Memorial Stadium dito sa Ilocos Norte. So doon ako nag-walking and it was a very fun morning. And I feel so healthy as usual. So, kayo ba nag-exercise na? Okay, so apparently, this is going to be a productive video because again, we're going to answer some questions na nanggaling sa mga subscribers sa inyo. And yon, hindi ko na patatagalin. One of the subscribers said under the video na what to do when you can't pay your credit card bill. Ang sabi ng isa nating subscriber, thank you ma'am kasi alam ko na po gagawin ko sa problema ko. So, yun naman nakakatuwa kasi obviously nakakatulong din pala yung mga videos natin sa inyo and that is one of my desires. Yung at least may matutunan kayo. And once you share the video na napanood mo, makakatulong din sa iba yung mga information and ideas. Ang isang tulong kasi it's not just in form of monetary or kaya in kind. It could also be like an idea or an experience na kung minsan habang sinasabi natin or kinikwento natin, hindi natin namamalayan na nakakatulong pala tayo sa ibang tao because of those ideas that they can also use. No, gawin nilang pattern or basis sa mga decisions naman nila na gagawin in the future with regards to their credit card. So, ayun, very inspiring comment. Maraming salamat sa ating subscriber. Okay, so another query from our subscriber na ang pangalan ay Altomerashi. I don't know if that's how it is supposed to be pronounced. So, let me know. Okay, so ang sabi naman ng subscriber natin, hi po ma'am, magkano naman ang maximum amount na pwedeng hiramin sa BDO Installment Mastercard? So, obviously, may mga video series of videos na din ako wherein I discussed or tackled about the Installment Mastercard ni BDO. Okay, so one of the most important or exciting feature ng ating Installment Mastercard from BDO is that pwede mong hiramin 100% of your CL or your credit limit with an interest na mababa lang. So I have discussed that in the previous video, pero I'll try to put the thumbnail here and also the card there, wherever, para mapanood nyo kung gusto nyong balikan yung video natin. Kasi in there, I've mentioned kung ilan yung interest, really minimal lang talaga. And I repeat, you can cash advance 100% of your credit limit with mababang interest lamang. Altomerashi, that's my answer to your query. Thank you so much and shout out sa inyong lahat, sa lahat ng mga nag-iwan ng kanilang mga comments. I cannot mention you one by one kasi napakarami nyo na po. But I know na once I said to all of you, alam nyo na kayong lahat yan. Nabasa ko naman yung mga comments, yung mga pangalan nyo, kaya lang hindi ko rin lahat-lahat mapagsabay-sabay sagutin. No? So, I'll try to do some again in the next video. Yon. So, Altomerashi, thank you so much for dropping your comment. Okay, so another comment na nanggaling naman sa isa pa nating subscriber na si Jocelyn Laid. Sabi ni Jocelyn, thank you so much po. Sobrang laking tulong po sa akin. So, ang tinutukoy niya is yung video natin na may title na Magaan na Pagbabayad ng Credit Card Bills. So, sabi ni Jocelyn, nakatulong daw yon sa kanya at nagpapasalamat siya. And in return, I would also like to say thank you, Jocelyn, sa pagtutok sa mga videos natin and also for dropping your comment. And I'm so much grateful dahil sa trust ninyo, and most especially kapag nalalaman ko naman talaga na nakakatulong yung mga videos natin sa inyong lahat. So, malaking bagay na yon sa akin. Thank you so much, Jocelyn. Okay, so another comment na nanggaling naman sa subscriber natin na si Ligot 679. Okay, so ito namang comment niya is medyo seryoso ng konti. So sabi niya, ma'am, ano po kaya yung na-issuehan ako ng CC ni BPI, tapos after ilang months, nag-text si BPI na need ko daw bayaran ng annual fee. Okay, ano kaya ang pwede kong gawin? Di ko makontak yung customer service ng BPI, kaya di ko mapakancel. Okay, so obviously, may mga credit cards kasi na pre-activated. Kung natanggap mo na yung credit card, sometimes kahit hindi mo siya i-activate, may certain number of days na biglang nag-a-activate na lang yung credit card. Okay, so dito sa comment ng ating subscriber, hindi kasi niya na-mention kung yung credit card na tinutukoy niya is yung credit card na in-applyan niya or yun yung mga credit cards na biglang dumadating. Pero ang sabi niya, inisyuhan ako ng CC ni BPI. So, inisyuhan pero how was it issued? Did you apply for it? Or yung ba yung mga credit cards na dumadating na lang? Like the claim of our subscribers, yung mga iba nating subscribers na biglang may dumadating na credit cards sa kanila. So, kapag kasi you applied for it, obviously, ginusto mo. So, kailangan din i-activate mo yung credit card kasi you applied for it, di ba? So, not unless kung talagang you realized after a while na ayaw mo palang i-activate yung credit card mo. So, dapat right after deciding na ayaw mo talaga, you should have informed the bank or informed BPI. Ang problema kasi, may mga credit cards na pre-activated or yung mga credit cards na dumating na sa'yo kahit hindi mo siya inactivate, pagkaraan ng ilang days, mag-activate na lang yung credit card. Self-activation na credit cards. Kaya it is our obligation to check with the bank kung anong klaseng credit card yon. So, doon naman sa issue regarding doon sa pag-require sa'yo ni BPI na magbayad ng annual fee, well, apparently, ganun kasi yung patakaran ng bangko. Once the credit card is activated, you are already entitled of all the benefits and privileges, at the same time, obliged to pay the annual fee. Kaya kapag nag-self-activate yung credit card mo, kailangan bayaran mo na yung annual fee. But hindi ko naman sinasabi na ganon yung naging situation, no? So, it's best for you to really get in touch with the customer service representative. Kapag hindi mo makontak, kasi mahirap talagang tumawag kung minsan sa mga customer service representative natin, sa mga bangko, you go directly to the bank para doon madinig mo kung ano yung magiging explanation ni bangko sa'yo regarding doon sa pag-require nila na magbayad ka ng annual fee. At kung ano man yung magiging explanation ni bangko sa'yo o ni customer service representative sa'yo doon sa mismong BPI, doon ka na mag-explain or siguro makipag-bargain kung sakali man na may gusto kang i-request from them regarding doon sa pagbabayad ng annual fee. So, doon mo na i-discuss sa kanila, sabihin mo na din kung ano yung mga gusto mong sabihin and ask them kung ano yung mga pwedeng gawin kung sakali man na you decided na ayaw mo nang gamitin yung credit card at gusto mo nang pa-cancel. Kasi you mentioned here, nahihirapan kang tumawag kay BPI para ipa-cancel yung credit card. Once you visited the bank, dun mo na sabihin lahat. Even about the cancellation of your credit card. Okay, so there you go. Natapos tayo sa ilang queries at nasagot natin according to our level best and according to our experience and our testimonials regarding credit card journey. And before I end, ito, napaka-importante lang na bagay na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. May mga subscribers kasi tayo, I received their messages through Facebook Messenger.